Editing video using the Transcript Editor Tool with VideoPad. To start, add your video file to the sequence and select it. Go to the menu, go to the Tools menu and select Transcript Editor. Your transcript will be generated by AI, divided into smaller phrases for easy navigation. Hover over a phrase to highlight it and drag it to reorder. To split phrases, hover between them and click the bar that displays. Continue watching this tutorial for more details on how to use the Transcript Editor tool with VideoPad. The Transcript Editor is a powerful tool that converts speech from audio or video clips into text. Once it is generated, you can edit the transcript as needed. To get started, add your audio or video clip to the sequence. Select the clip by clicking on it. Open the menu, go to the Tools menu and click Transcript Editor. The AI tool will automatically analyze the audio file and generate a transcript. Once generated, the transcript is divided into smaller phrases, each corresponding to a segment of the clip, making it easy to edit. As you move your cursor over the transcript, the phrase beneath it will be highlighted for easy identification. To reorder a section of the clip, simply click and hold a phrase, drag it to the desired location, and release to drop it. This allows for quick rearrangement of the clip. If you need to split phrases or adjust their boundaries, hover over the space between two phrases. A bar will appear, indicating where the split will occur. Click on the bar, and the phrase will be split into two parts, allowing you to edit each clip individually on the sequence. To delete a section, click on a phrase to select it, then click the Delete key. When you are finished editing, click the Close button. Your changes will be reflected on the sequence. For more VideoPad tutorials, visit the address shown on your screen.